A secure pouch seal is important to your confidence and the health of your skin. Adapt barrier rings are designed to protect the skin and prevent stoma drainage from getting under your pouch seal.
To use Adapt barrier rings, first remove the backing from your skin barrier. You may use a one-piece or two-piece pouching system. Take an Adapt barrier ring out of the plastic tray and remove the backing from both sides of the ring. The rings are flexible, so you can stretch or mold them to fit your stoma. If your stoma is oval or irregularly shaped, simply pull or stretch the ring to the right shape for you. Next, apply the ring to the adhesive area of your skin barrier. Either side of the ring can be applied to the skin barrier. Finally, apply your skin barrier as usual. The method just described is recommended, but there is another way to use Adapt barrier rings. You can apply the ring directly to your skin, then apply the skin barrier. Adapt barrier rings are versatile and can be cut or molded into virtually any shape to create a secure, customized fit. Adapt barrier rings are alcohol-free and safe to use even on irritated skin around the stoma.
If your skin is irritated, it should be evaluated by a healthcare professional who will help determine the cause and how to prevent further injury.
Always apply your skin barrier and Adapt barrier rings to clean, dry skin. As you remove your used pouching system, the Adapt barrier ring will come off as well, still attached to the skin barrier. Simply discard after use.